Mike here with 2AR Tactical. All right, guys, so we've got another fresh build. We're going to be test firing this. I can't help but want to call it a bulldog. It just reminds me of a little bulldog. 7.5 inch retro build. Really cool, right? I mean, what else can you say about this little thing? It looks so cool. A little stubby, like Mach M16 or whatever they wanted to call them back then, you know, but it just looks so cool. Little bitty old, what is this, a 4-inch can style handguard. We got a Yankee Hill flip up front sight. The A2 upper receiver. We got a Spikes Tactical Punisher lower receiver on here. SBA 3 brace, and of course we got the Fostech Echo trigger. But this is just, I mean, retro. It's just one of my more favored looks. It's just so simple in design. It goes back to the roots. This is what an AR-15 should look like. Of course, you know, they came with the longer barrels, of course, but this is a little short, stubby guy. Like I said, I just can't help but every time I look at it, I just think of a bulldog for some reason. It's just like, blah, you know. But we're going to give this one a test run. See how well it's going to do. Echo trigger, and see if we can't get this thing rocking. All right. A couple of rounds off in semi-auto. Flip over to echo mode and dump the mag. All right, here we go. Very cool. Do a couple quick double taps. Wow. All right, empty the mag. Very, very cool gun. Love the way this thing looks. Always had a soft spot for the classic look. This thing just looks so cool. Look how, I mean, it's so tiny. Okay, I'm a fatty, but it looks tiny against me. So, but it is. I mean, this thing is short and stubby. It's just really cool. And of course, these things will still reach out, believe it or not. Plug milk jugs at 100, even 200 yards. Hit man-sized targets out to 3. You're aiming a little bit high, you know, dropping everything. But yes, you can reach out to those ranges with one of these. So very, very cool. The Bulldog. If you guys are interested in one of our custom-built guns, you can contact us on our website at 2artactical.com. You can also visit us on Instagram at 2AR Tactical Custom Guns, or on Fascist Book at 2AR 2AR Tactical on Fascist Book. All right, guys. Thanks.